All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 10232 State versus Richard Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced for the record, please?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Alexander Krause for the defense.
And are you Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and state's motion to supplement pending motion to revoke probation with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Richard Porfirio?
Porfirio.
Thank you. Gonzalez, who is placed on community supervision for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on December 19, 2023 for a term of 2 years. Is that you?
That is correct.
All right, state.
In violation of condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Richard Porfirio Gonzalez did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, and October 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And we waive and abandon the remainder.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility and a $1,500 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
True.
No. Do you understand that if you have an agreement with the state, I'm not bound by any agreement that you've reached with them? Do you understand that?
I entirely know.
All right. So let me explain it to you this way. When you were placed on probation, you entered into a contract. That's what
Yeah.
probation is. It's a
Okay.
contract.
Yes.
And in that contract, it tells you what is expected of you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you just pled true to not reporting for several months.
Yes, ma'am.
So part of your contract was you were to report. Do you
Yes.
understand that? So the contract that you have is the contract, it's a contract between you and the court.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not a contract between you and your attorney or a contract between you and the state.
Yes, ma'am.
If it were a contract between you and your attorney, then we wouldn't be here because
Yes.
your attorney could say, you know what, I forgive you, we're going to keep going on.
Yes, ma'am.
So sometimes in motions to revoke, the state will negotiate with your counsel and they will say, hey, this is what we're going to ask for. Well, regardless of what the states ask for example, let's say in this case, the state were to ask for 180 days. I don't have to follow that because I don't have a contract with the state. They're not a part of this contract. I could say, no, I'm going to give you 2 years. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4? All right, the court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Judge, we're asking for revocation in 1 year in state jail.
All right. So, Mr. Gonzalez, you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Richard Porfirio Gonzalez.
All right, so why didn't you report?
Was when upon leaving the program, when I got home, I found out that I was homeless and I was looking for my wife at the time. She was also homeless. Since then, I've built I got my own business now where I got Gonzalez Automotive, Gonzalez Tree Care and Landscaping. I got an apartment now. My wife is 3 months pregnant, so it's
I'm sorry, you said your wife is what?
3 months pregnant.
Okay.
So I have my son as well that I take care of, and then I'm actually moving on,
And how old is your son?
he's 12 now,
And who is with him now?
his mom.
Okay.
And then, but that's with his mom, and then I have my wife, who I'm with now.
So that still doesn't explain to me why you didn't report.
I was homeless and I was looking for my wife. And I didn't know where she was at. I had no source of communication with anyone. I messed up. I I understand that. It's just, I was worried about my wife. Trying to find her, I didn't know where to look, how to find her, nothing.
But see, you'll see that you can look for your wife and try to find her, but you can't look for probation and go into probation.
I understand that I messed up. I wish I can get, I'm trying to get past, of my mistakes.
All right, has restitution been paid?
No, Your Honor.
All right, probation, is there, in the original plea bargain agreement, it said that there is to be restitution of $2,000. Has that been paid?
No, Judge.
All right. And then this is not his first motion to revoke, is that correct? All right, and your previous motion to revoke, what was that for?
I was sent to another county. At the
No,
time.
no. They don't file a motion to revoke because you've been transferred.
Right, when I got out of there, that's when I found out I already had a warrant set here for that.
No. On your very first motion to revoke.
That's what I'm speaking.
All right, so
I
what were they saying you did not do in your very first motion to revoke?
didn't report. But see, I was in another county and there was nothing I could do. I was in another county. I was in Frio County at the time.
All right.
So when I returned back to San Antonio, there was already a warrant issued.
All right. Your problem is you're not really on probation. And when I say not really on probation, you haven't done anything.
No.
So, this is what the court is going to do. The court is finding violation of condition number 4 true. The court is going to revoke. The court is going to sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. And did probation, did he successfully complete ISF?
Yes, Judge, 90 days.
All right, and I'll give you credit for any time served in ISF. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal? I'm sorry, State, you may be excused.
Yes,
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on community supervision. I'm sorry, Ms. Abrams,
Yes, Judge.
was there restitution ordered or any restitution for Ms. Goodwin?
Judge. I think have the amount of $2,000 to Ms. Goodwin.
All right, and there's to be restitution of $2,000 to Molly Goodwin. All right, because this was not a plea bargain agreement, I'm going to repeat it. You do have a right to appeal. That right to appeal is limited to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're under community supervision. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, okay? Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, court is calling 2019 CR 8713, State versus Jonathan David Vargas. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Remaining for the state of Texas.
John Foley, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Vargas.
And are you Mr. Vargas?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm no gum chewing.
I'm sorry.
There's a trash can over there.
Thank you. My apologies.
Problem. Did you review the documents entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision? With your attorney, did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Jonathan David Vargas who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2019 CR 8713 for the offense of continuous violence against the family on September 12, 2019 for a period of 2 years and extended for a total of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, State.
Yes, Your Honor, on or about the second day of March, 2023, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Jonathan David Vargas, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State will waive the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is not, Your Honor. Both sides are going to put forth our recommendations.
All right, state, what are you recommending?
You are recommending that Your Honor revoke the defendant's probation, adjudicate him guilty, enter the affirmative finding of family violence, and sentence the defendant to 2 years TDC.
All right, and what are you recommending?
Your Honor, we would ask that the court terminate unsat the probation officer, I believe is recommending the same. Also, if I may, let me, I had shown this to one of the state's attorneys tonight. Judge, tendering a letter from River City Rehab Center that shows Mr. Vargas has been voluntarily in treatment for the last 2 years, and I would call Mr. Vargas.
All right, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Jonathan Vargas.
All right. You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Vargas, would you tell the court about your treatment at River City Rehab?
Yes, I've been attending River City Rehab for about 2 years. Due to the use of substances, and I've been successfully doing what I'm asked to do there. I talk to my counselor, take UAs, I do whatever is necessary to keep going forward and being a better person.
Do you mind if I ask a question?
Please, Judge.
So, are you doing sober support meetings?
No, I'm not.
All right. Because part of that is asking for forgiveness and getting your life in order. And one of the things about getting your life in order is this motion to revoke. So why haven't you followed through on your conditions with probation? Because this is not your first motion to revoke.
Yes, during probation, I had told my probation officer that I was using, and she recommended I would be revoked, and that's the reason I stopped reporting.
But now here's the thing, you've been here before on a previous motion to revoke.
Yes, correct.
So that means that you already knew that I am the last word on whether somebody is revoked or not.
I wasn't aware of that. I was just.
But you were aware because you've been before me on a previous motion to revoke with the same violation. So you were aware. So part of being truly on the path to sobriety is honesty, right?
Yes.
And
of course,
internalizing things.
of course.
So you've been here on a previous motion to revoke. So you knew that I'm the last word on whether somebody's revoked or not. If I wasn't the last word on whether somebody was revoked or not, then y'all wouldn't be before me on a motion to revoke. You just go off and do your own thing. So if you're drug tested today, what are you going to be positive for?
Just my medication, methadone.
All right. So you're going to go do a drug test today, and then you're going to come back here and I'm going to make a decision.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Right. And you have your ID with you?
Yes.
All right. So they're going to tell you where you need to go, and you're going to need to go to that specific place, not a different place. Okay. And they're going to let me know what that UA says today. So I'll have y'all come back this afternoon.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Thank you.
So even with pretrial as well?
No,
Oh,
they're going to tell you where you need to go. So
Okay.
just talk to probation.
okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're
So
welcome.
he does not need to report to pretrial, so.
No, I mean, if he'll talk with Ms. Abrams, he'll let him know what he needs to
They
do.
send me an alert to my phone, that I have to go out to court.
You're here. If there's an alert, you know who would file, who would end up signing a warrant? Me,
You, okay.
all right?
Oh,
So you'll talk to them.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Just so the court's aware, I have, I told you I'm having surgery tomorrow.
Well, then I'm just like, okay, we'll see what happens.
Morning.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing okay. Thank you so much for dressing appropriately for court and being on time.
Amen.
Yes.
Okay, let me see here.
If I may, Judge, this case was reset to kind of solidify PTD,
Yes.
and it has been, so
Okay.
they're approving it. So now we're just filling out the paperwork. And I am fast. I have Adobe expedite.
Okay, all right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a PTD date, please.
So my question is, Judge, we're starting a new semester and I have already put in attorney available for those first 3 weeks of January.
Mhm.
Um,
Oh, let me just tell you what will happen. On that date, she'll come in and we'll make sure that all the paperwork is signed, or either she may have completed everything. So you don't necessarily have to be here. Nothing
Beautiful.
will happen as far as the allegations, other than either it's going to be a reset for her to continue with PTD, or either it may be a dismissal.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. So are you ready for the new year with the students around the corner?
Are you kidding me?
And how is the grandbaby?
She is 16 months. You don't know how much personality is packed in a 16-month-old child.
Yeah.
She's already on. She's got a phone, she's got a purse, she wants you to take her shoes. And so it's just, and every, weekend they come over and I'm G-pop.
Oh, yeah, I
Yeah.
look at you with your name. I'm telling you, I know, because it is very interesting.
It very interesting. And it's just, I wish I could take my child psychology courses all
Yeah.
over again.
But doesn't it make life exciting because everything is new to them?
Everything is,
We always say about the new babies in my family, they're like, oh my gosh, these are new eyes. 'Cause, the whites of the eyes are so bright white and the eyes are starting to fade.
well, and you get that from your kids too. Like,
Yeah.
you didn't let us do that. No, you're not this grand.
Oh, yeah, no, some lady has something where she says, you can't compete where you don't compare. So my mom is real big on, there are no rules here. That's at your house.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
But that is so awesome.
She's beautiful. I'll give you pictures there one day.
Okay,
There's
awesome.
some changes coming. They're doing some more involved here coming up next year.
Okay.
Get it going.
Well, tell Stephanie I said
I
hi.
will. Well, I'm not gonna go anywhere. I got another case with Brandon.
Okay, all right. Thank you
This
so
guy, I
much.
feel like you talked for us. Like,
Yeah.
I like talking about doctors.
Oh, yeah.
Grandma too.
Oh, yeah. And I hope they have no rules at your house either. People need to understand.
My oldest, she can do whatever she wants. My oldest grandbaby.
Yeah.
The other one is tiny. The other one's tiny.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But they're so cute.
Like,
And I love when they have the little chubby rolls. It's like, oh,
oh, yes.
yeah.
she's, those terrible twos are real. We're not even at 2 yet. So you can just see the willful and, like, hey, put that down. I'm gonna walk over here. I'm gonna do it. Okay. Cause this ain't my first rodeo. You know what I mean?
Well, it was so funny. One time, somebody was calling her name and she's like, what?
Oh, no.
And we were like, come here. And so she comes, I'm like, that's not what you say.
Well,
I said, just say yes. And so now that's what she does. You call her name, she's like, yes.
yes.
Yeah.
No, it's, and Hannah is such a, it's just crazy to see her, which is such a, that's your baby. I mean, you remember her running around the court?
I
You know.
do. That's why I'm like, oh my gosh, we're not aging in appearance, just in numbers.
Yeah. I'm as youthful as ever.
Yeah, you could. Oh, James Toshi said he may put a football team together.
That ain't happening.
He said he think maybe you guys could take on Weaver State.
Well, I think, I can't get involved with what happened in Texas, so it's gonna be that.
All
But I think, we'll just leave that. We'll go sign.
right. All right. Well, have a great rest of your day. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
So,
All right, who's next? All right, Jerry.